Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by making an index, HTML and a main, JS inside one project folder. Open that folder in VS Code now. Once done, add a basic HTML skeleton with doctype HTML and meta charset equals UTF-8. Then link your script src equals main. JS defer / script, defer keeps HTML parsing smooth and runs JS after loading. Make sure files are saved. If you prefer, place the script just before /body instead. Both methods ensure the DOM is ready for your code. Now focus on the core details. Check that your script path is correct, for example, /main, JS or JS/main, JS because paths are case sensitive on many systems. Next, add a simple test like console. Log, ready so you can confirm execution in the DevTools console. If you use ES modules and imports, switch to script type equals module src equals main, JS/script, and make sure you serve files over HTTP to avoid CORS restrictions. Save often and watch for syntax errors reported in the console. Finish by reloading the page and confirming your console. Log output appears. A hard reload clears caching issues. If nothing runs, open DevTools Network tab and look for 404 or blocked request for main. JS, that tells you the path is wrong or the file isn't saved. Make sure you restarted live server if you use it, and verify files are UTF-8 encoded. Key troubleshooting tip: always read the console error message first. It usually points directly to the missing file, syntax error, or incorrect path.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.